All right, folks, here we are again, clip 3. Now, it says on my next instructions here, E and D. Now, what I have been concerned with is that some of your boards, if they don't have a letter on them, you have to refer to the box on what area it's supposed to be, right? So, you got on your pool side over here, you've got the kitchen's going to be on the other side of the pool. And on the complete opposite side, you have the arcade. And just match up the pictures if you got to. But I found the easiest way to put the screws in is just like this right here. To get them started, you go ahead and put your screw in on this side and run it through and line it up to your hole. Do that to both of them before you start locking them down, right? So then as you get them lined up like they are, then you just start screwing it in, and then it'll start pulling itself in, right? You want to bring them in both kind of together. So, this isn't a super fast process here, but it's coming together, y'all. All right, so we'll get our 2 ends on, and then I'll deal with the 4th clip. Thank y'all.